Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, my name is Michael Shu and welcome. As we're in the full swing of summer, I decided to make an unboxing video of my favorite brand of sunglasses, Randolph Engineering. I previously did a lot of unboxing and review videos from Randolph sunglasses. I did a 1-year review of my Aviators and then another 3-year review. I've also made, like I said, a lot of other unboxing videos. So we're not going to spend a whole lot of time of the unboxing portion of the video, so we spend more time on the actual pair of sunglasses, talking about the style and the look, the qualities, and the size of this pair of sunglasses. Before we dive into this video, if you guys aren't subscribed, I'd really appreciate it if you guys went down, smash the subscribe button, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you guys do decide to purchase this pair of sunglasses, be sure to use the link down below as it's gonna help me out a ton. Without further ado, let's dive into this unboxing. The box is pretty simple and standard, just a cardboard box with my address here, and let's go ahead and see what's inside. I've got my scissors here. This is a very dangerous way to open a box, so do not do this at home. If you guys haven't heard of Randolph, all their sunglasses are made in USA and they supply to the military, so you know that you're gonna get really high quality sunglasses. I've been exclusively wearing them for 4 to 5 years now, ever since I started flight training, and as soon as I wore them, I know I'm not gonna be wearing any other pair of sunglasses. And if you are a pilot, you need to wear the best sunglasses, as you need the best optical quality to spot other traffic, to protect your eyes from the sun. I highly recommend Randolph Engineering. Also, talking and unboxing is pretty difficult, especially with this pair of really sharp pair of scissors here. Man, it's pretty hard unboxing this. Finally got this box open. Let's go ahead and see what the inside looks like. Giving you guys the first look. Look at that. What does it look like? Ooh, alright. Got my shipping label, put this aside. And the packaging of Randolph, gotta say, the way they package their sunglasses, the effort they put in, the attention to detail, that's what really makes me love Randolph. Love the packaging as usual. Love the matte black box with this reflective R for Randolph. And this pair of sunglasses is an Aviator 55mm. There are 3 different sizes with their Aviators. There is the 52, 55, which is a standard, which is what I wear, and the 58, which is bigger. And actually, they just made a bigger size, the XL size. So if you do need a bigger size, Randolph do have that option now. On the other side, just another sticker. On the bottom left corner, there's this etching that says Randolph. And over here, there's a magnet. Can you hear that? Love the packaging. It just makes the whole unboxing experience so much more enjoyable. Makes you look forward to see what's actually inside. Let's go ahead and open up, show you guys the inside, give you guys a first look. Look at that. You see how it's neatly packaged? Ooh. So they give you this microfiber cleaning cloth that comes in toffee color, and it also has this etching that says Randolph. I have a few pairs of Randolph. I've never had a cleaning cloth that looks like this. Top of the box here says welcome to extraordinary. And let me tell you, each pair of sunglasses from Randolph really is truly extraordinary. Once you put them on, you feel the quality, you look through the lenses and the clarity, you'll know why these sunglasses from Randolph are so special. Sunglasses comes in this nice leather hard case, and it's really nice. It's also magnetic. You see that? You hear that? And honestly, first grabbing this case, I gotta tell you, this is a pretty light pair of sunglasses. It uses Skyforce lens, so it's a nylon lens, but still very clear, which makes this pair of sunglasses really lightweight. So you can wear them for a really long period of time, and your head won't hurt, you won't feel the heftiness on your head. So it's gonna be really nice wearing it long time. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. You guys ready? Oh, look at that. Let me go ahead and grab it out. Look at this pair of sunglasses. I gotta say, wow. Upon first grabbing it, I really like the satin gold. For the satin series, They always had a chrome color, but there's also a matte chrome, which I really liked it if you didn't really like the super shininess. But for the gold, they never had a matte gold. So this satin 23K gold frames is kind of like a matte gold. I really like it. It's nice and gold, but it's not reflective and shiny. So if you don't like that reflective and shiny gold look, definitely get the satin gold frames, as they're definitely nice and gold, but doesn't have that reflective gold. I also really like the bayonet temples. It is nice tortoisey colors here, which is nice high quality. I also really like this evergreen Skyforce lens. The green is supposed to be really relaxing, and this is a pair of polarized sunglasses, so don't recommend wearing this for flying, but this would be good for long drives, or if you're going out to the lake, fishing, going by the beach. This would be good for using it long periods of time, as it is very lightweight with that Skyforce lens. Let me go ahead and put it on, show you guys what it looks like. This is the size 55, as it does fit my face the best. There are 3 different sizes. There's the 52 millimeters, 55 millimeters, what I'm wearing right now, or if you do need a bigger size, there is the 58. This evergreen lens is also a gradient lens, which means it's darker up top and it gets a little bit lighter and lighter and lighter to the very bottom. So I'm looking down from the below, it's brighter. But if it looks straight out, it's a little bit darker. So that's pretty cool. This is also my first gradient lens. So this satin series, there are 5 different colors. They have the ones I'm wearing, satin gold, satin rose gold, which looks really nice, satin chocolate, satin gunmetal, and satin silver. I personally like the satin gold. Like I said, I like the yellow gold color, but it's not reflective. It's kind of like a matte gold, but nice and satin. I also really like the bayonet temples. You guys might be wondering how much this pair of sunglasses cost, as it looks pretty fancy with the satin gold, with the evergreen lens, the tortoisey bayonet, the packaging, everything does look nice. Let me tell you, this isn't a pair of sunglasses where you wear for one summer, throw them away and get another pair. This is a pair of sunglasses that is robust, high quality, where you can wear for multiple years, multiple decades. The very first pair of Randolph sunglasses I got, I still wear it to this very day, and it sits in my flight bag, and I wear it every time I go fly an airliner. So this is a pair of sunglasses where you can wear for a very long time. That being said, this pair of sunglasses comes at $309, which definitely isn't the very cheap gas station pair of sunglasses where you can buy, throw away, you won't feel bad. However, this is also not on the very expensive end where you go to $500, $600. This sits at $309, which is still a little bit in the middle towards the pricier end. Like I said, this is definitely an investment piece. A pair of sunglasses where you can wear multiple years at a time. As soon as you put on Randolph sunglasses, let me tell you, you will not be wearing anything else at all. This sunglasses at $309 is absolutely worth it. So if you guys do want to purchase this pair of sunglasses or any pair from Randolph, be sure to use the link down below. It's going to help me out a ton, and I would really appreciate it. Before you guys log off, if you guys aren't subscribed, go ahead, smash the subscribe button down there, leave thumbs up, leave comments, let me know what pair of Randolph is your absolute favorite. I love to hear from you guys. We are a community, we help each other. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. If you guys do want to see my 1-year review of the Aviators, click over here. If you want to see the 3-year review, click over there. I also have other reviews on the Concords and other pairs of Randolph. That's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.